Hey, this is the shack the dentist built, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a cartridge on this Moen 4600 sink. It'll only take a second, easy as pie. I got the insert here from Lowe's, and we're going to get started. But first, make sure you like and subscribe to all my videos. Right, kitty? Huh? Right? Make sure you like and subscribe to all my videos. That's right. That's right. I've got this little drip. It's really slow, very slow drip. And today we're going to solve that problem. Now, before we work on our faucet, we want to go underneath and we want to turn off the water. There we go. Underneath. Woo-wee! Look at all that stuff underneath there that my wife puts underneath there. My goodness, can't even get to the water lines. And, oh, there they are. And I want you to notice, the reason I brought you underneath here is I want you to notice they didn't put any off and on valves underneath there to save money. So what we have to do is we have to go out to the main valve and shut it off. Check this out. I got my little kitty cat wanting to help me out. Meow. I'm going to check out all this lovely stuff underneath the sink. So the first thing to do before you change that water faucet is come out here, and it's wet out here today. I'm telling you, it has been raining. I'm getting dripped on, and you turn that thing on. And so now we can work on our water faucet. Hey, I'm here with Willie the plumber. How you doing there, Willie?
I'm doing pretty good.
So what's going on today? What are we going to work on today?
Oh, well, we're going to work on this sink, I think.
Oh, that's really cool, Willie. I'm glad to work with you.
Hey, did you hear about the time when I went into a bar?
No, Willie, I didn't hear about the time you went into a bar.
Well, I had my 6 guns out, and I was ready to shoot, and I said, I'm looking for the man who shot my pa. Get it? Shot my pa.
Oh, that's really great, Willie. How about if you hand me a screwdriver? We got to get to work on this thing. I'm looking for a Phillips screwdriver. Now, what you need to do is you're going to have to take this apart, and up top here, you can just get your fingernails underneath there, and you can pull that out, and there's a screw. We're going to need to take that screw out. You got brought the wrong size of Phillips screwdriver. I need to get a different size of Phillips screwdriver. So, Willie, don't you know the difference between a number 1 and a number 2 Phillips? You gave me a number 2. I needed a number 1. All right, here we go. Back over here. Okay. Take the screw out like so. You're not paying much attention here, dog. All right, set it aside. What? I thought I turned the water on. Apparently, I did not. What are we going to do with that water, Willie?
We're going to turn it off.
Okay. Turns out I've got a secondary shutoff underneath the house. So here I go. I'm going to turn this off. See if that takes care of the water situation in the house. Didn't know I had 2 shutoff valves, but apparently I do. All right, so I've got that secondary shutoff off. Now we'll check the water. There we go. That's a little bit better. Hey, and I got the kitty out here to help. Taking off the handle. Got a little clip on there. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this little holder out. You should be able to just take it out by hand. If not, what you can do is you can get one of these. I got one of these little cobalt screwdrivers. If it's tough, you can just insert it into the little neck there and pull it out. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure your sink is down so you don't drop that in there and lose that. Or you take a rag, drop the rag in there, and make sure that nothing goes down the drain. It's probably a good idea to do that just to be safe. And I'll show you how you know what your Moen is. In this particular case, come underneath the sink You see it there, right underneath the sink? It gives you the numbers. Moen 4600. That first number is the one that you want. So I'm here at Lowe's with this dizzying array of accessories and handles, and I'm gonna find out where the cartridge is for my 4600. And I'm here with my friendly neighborhood Lowe's guy. Daniel, is it okay if I videotape you?
Say no.
for my YouTube channel, The Shack that Dennis built.
Okay.
So I am looking for a Moen 4600 cartridge.
You want me to try to look it up for you?
Yeah, would you?
It takes cartridge 1225.
Cartridge 1225. See, dummies like me don't know that.
The 4600 is the number that Moen has for the faucet. The cartridge it takes is 1225. You're still gonna hate me.
Oh no! And it is done?
Let me check.
There it is. It's missing.
I got it above. 27375. I found it. It's up there.
Woo! So Daniel here, he's going to climb the ladder and he's going to get me my Moen. What was the number of that thing?
1225.
1225. All right, great customer service. Thanks, Dan. Selfie time. Say cheese. This cat does not want to be apart from me. He wants to be involved in everything. So I got this Moen. So we're going to open this up. And inside, we got this funky looking nut. And the purpose of this is you use it to loosen up. See how that moves back and forth like that? You use it to loosen up your insert. And now, yeah, there's water in there. Now you can get it out. There's my old insert. Compare it. There's my new insert. We're going to put that thing in there and stop the bleeding. So shove that thing in there. Push it down with my nut. Get my little cotter pin type thing. Put it back in there. And then we've got this thing that fits right on top of there. And this that holds the pin in place. And finally, we have the handle. Put the handle on. All right, screw that thing in. It's really simple. Screw it in nice and tight. Put your little teardrop on. And then we'll turn the water on to see whether we stop the flow. And check this out. Hi, kitty. We're checking it out, kitty. There is no dripping at all. Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and that is how you replace the cartridge on your Moen 4600 faucet. This is the shack that Dennis built, and this is the sink that sits in the shack that Dennis built. Make sure you like and subscribe. Come on, come. Not working for you, is it? All right.